In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create quotes in Canva. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you have to select the right template because Canva do have multiple dimensions and aspect ratios depending on what is the content what is the social media or what is the goal, the media format that you are trying to get. If you want to create a post for Facebook, it will be different for a post in TikTok or Instagram. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Right now, I do have this square design, but I don't want to use it. I want to have a 9:16 aspect ratio, which is a vertical aspect ratio popular in TikTok and also in Instagram. So I'm going to resize the document first, and I'm going to select a 9:16 aspect ratio. Now let's navigate to social media, and I'm going to be selecting the Instagram format, the Instagram reel, for example, and let's resize this design first. And later we are going to use some templates that are available in Canva. You can create your own quotes template, but I highly recommend to just use templates because it just makes things a lot easier, and not to mention they look pretty too. So anyway, let's go to design, and then on the template section you can search for quotes, and you'll find plenty of good looking designs that you could apply, that you could modify later. And let's say there is this design that I'm going to use, and here you can play around with the position, you can change the background, you can also change the text, and when you're done you can go to share and then click download, and then download the file as your preferred format. It could be a video, it could be a picture, but that's basically it. If you want to create a new design for the quote, you can do that if you know how to use Canva. I cannot really cover that because it's just very complicated, but basically it is just a text. If you want to create your own text, you can go to the text section and then add some text like maybe here, and then you can add some icons like a quote icon, and maybe you can put this icon and then change the color a bit to white so it's visible. And you can add some decoration here, and then later you can put some names of the original author of the quote, like author name here. So yeah, that's the basic way on how you can build a quote in Canva.